Let's make your Samsung phone's lock screen stand out by adding cool animations. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to personalize your lock screen with animated effects. To get started, open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Wallpaper and Style, then tap on Change Wallpapers. Now scroll down to the bottom. Next, tap on the More icon of Galaxy Themes. Then tap on Get More Wallpapers from the bottom. Again, scroll down. Here you can see the animated lock screen. If you tap on More icon, then you'll see so many animations for your wallpaper. Tap on any animation you want to set. If you want to see the preview, just tap on the YouTube Shorts icon here. After that, tap on Download from the bottom, and then tap Apply. Now tap Done from the top right corner. Now go ahead and check your lock screen. So that does it for today. Thanks for tuning in. If there's anything you're unsure about or you'd like more information on, just drop a comment. I'm happy to help.